Today we're going to create a report in 2010 style. Now before you start typing anything, you need to go up into the upper right hand portion of your screen and click on Change and Styles. I don't have it on mine because mine's 2016, but on yours you will. You click on Change, Styles, and then you'd go down and click on 2010 style, and then it'll change the properties of your document. Then you just type out your document and it's going to look just like mine. Just type out the whole thing first. Type it out, type it out. When you get to this part right here, Patrick Henry, you're going to have to hold your Shift key down and enter. That way you'll get your words to go right underneath the other line. Otherwise there'll be a double space. Anyway, you type this guy all out. Once you get it done, all you have to do is block what you want to do for the title. Go upstairs here and click on Title. This one right here is Heading 1. Heading 1. Heading 1. And also Heading 1. Okay? Now I want you guys to put in two clip arts. One, you can any one of these guys, Abraham Lincoln, Susan B. Anthony, Nathan Hale, or Patrick Henry. I don't care. You just go to the internet though. Abe Lincoln. Whoop. Pick. I don't care. I'm going to pick this guy. Save image as. You guys know how to save. Put them in your folder. Go back to your document. Anywhere here. Insert your picture. I have mine on the desktop. There he is right there. Click on him. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to I need to put him behind my text. Let's see, wrap text. Put it behind the text first. Put him where you want him. I'll put him over here. And then wrap text. Put him behind the text. And then maybe make him a little lighter. Go to color. Make him a little lighter. Another way, you guys, I'm going to try a Susan B. Anthony. Now watch this. Insert online picture. It's going to take you to a Bing browser. Hopefully mine will work. It's supposed to. Looks like mine's not going to work. But basically you just type, oh, here we go. Susan B. Anthony. Okay, yours should bring something up. Mine's not working right now, but once you do, click on one of the Susan B. Anthony pictures, click on Insert, and it'll put it right in for you. Okay, and then do it the same way. I just need a one-page document, just like this, and then send it to me, will you please? That's it. Save it as Effective Communicators.